10 things you must know before getting the Tangem wallet. Tangem works entirely through your phone, so if you want to manage your crypto on a computer, the Tangem wallet is not for you. The card works only through NFC, the same technology as contactless payments, so make sure your phone has NFC support if you're interested in the Tangem wallet. When setting up a new Tangem wallet, we choose if we want our recovery method for our private key, the thing keeping our crypto safe, to be through the seed phrase route or the seedless route. Tangem recommends the seedless route, and that is when the private key is generated inside the card's chip and stays there. Your backup is then the physical cards themselves, and that is why the package comes in a set of 2 or 3 cards. If you choose the seedless route and lose all of your cards, your crypto is gone. So make sure to store these cards in different secure locations. As long as you have one card, you can access your crypto. If you however lose one card or just want more backup cards, you can order more and add them to your existing wallet. Tangem also sells a crypto ring. It's a wearable NFC ring that works the same way as the cards. But honestly, this is a hard pass for me. I don't really understand why anyone would walk around and show people that they have a crypto wallet on their finger. Sure, it could be used for easy payments, but that's about it. So I'd rather just stick with the cards. The Tangem wallet is IP69K rated, meaning it's fully waterproof, dustproof, it also survives extreme temperatures and X-rays, so it survives the most. And that is a big comparison with most other cold wallets that gets destroyed if your house gets flooded or your seed phrase paper is getting wet and destroyed. Tangem have just released that people don't even need their card wallet to start using their mobile app. Anyone can now start using it for storing, swapping, staking, earning right away, and it works just like a hot wallet like MetaMask. And then you can upgrade later to the card wallet if you want. I will leave a link below to this mobile app, and using that link can sometimes give you some extra perks. That said, a hot wallet where the private keys are stored on your phone is not as safe as the Tangem card. And this is important because if you use a hot wallet and you get a lot of viruses on your phone, you get compromised, that can ultimately lead to you getting hacked and your crypto stolen. Tangem has a built-in swap feature inside the app, and it works, but the fees there are higher than what you'd pay on a proper crypto exchange. What I do instead is send my crypto from my Tangem wallet over to an exchange, make the trade there, and then send it back. So yes, it takes a few extra steps, but ultimately I save a lot of money doing this. I will also link to the place where I trade without fees down in the video description. Tangem is by far the simplest cold wallet, and that is more important than you think, because 80 to 90% of how people lose crypto these days are due to complicated wallets and seed phrase related scams. So getting a wallet that just avoids all of that makes the Tangem wallet so much more beginner friendly and ultimately make people lose a lot less crypto. The safest place to get the Tangem wallet is from their official store, and if you want the Tangem wallet between 10 to 20% cheaper, use the discount code Nordic or the link below. And leave a thumbs up if this video helped you, as that helps me a lot.